yeah, so don't be the person who is irresponsible and chucks it down the drain. Don't do that. That's a horrible, horrible thing to do. I know it came from the grounds, but it doesn't need to go back in there without being taken care of first. So I'm going to empty my thing, hopefully not make a mess. If I do, it will all be on video and you can have a laugh at me later. But yeah, and don't be the guy who lets his oil suction thing overflow, because you're going to have a bad time if you do that. And yes, you probably do get more if you drain it from the sump. I'm too old and fat to do that. I'm going to give it a long suction and let the machine do it for me.